The PLG extension identifies a Fallout 4 mod plugin file containing modded game logic items or quest data. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you install or troubleshoot these game modification plugin files. Before we get technical, the simplest step is often overlooked: installing a general file opening utility. This often works when the specific PLG application fails. More details to follow. PLG files are Fallout 4 mod plugins written using XNetForm scripting language. They modify game mechanics, quests, NPCs, or items, and must be placed in the game's data folder to be recognized and loaded by the Fallout 4 game engine. Fallout 4 PLG plugins are compiled XNetForm scripts wrapped in PLG containers. They require the base Fallout 4's X to execute and are often accompanied by ESP master files or BSA archives containing additional assets for the modification. The official utility recommended for the PLG file is Fallout 4 by Bethesda Game Studios. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for execution. Windows cannot preview plugin effects or outputs, so interaction requires the matching application. Your most critical first action is the file association test. Right-click the PLG file and choose Open With. If Fallout 4 is on your machine, test it. If not, choose another program. We must find the right software. If your PLG file will not open yet, do not panic. Since the primary method failed, the error is likely internal. Immediately begin these 3 essential checks to diagnose the file's integrity. First, installing mods. Place PLG files in the Steam AppsR Common Fallout 4Edit directory. Enable the plugin through the Fallout 4 Game Launcher's mod section, or by adding the plugin name to your plugins.txt file in the app data folder. Next, resolving conflicts. Use FO4Edit to open and inspect your PLG files for script errors or conflicts with other installed mods. The conflict detection tool highlights overlapping record modifications. Disable conflicting mods, or adjust load order to resolve issues. Finally, backup and validation. Always back up your entire data folder before installing new PLG files. Use BSA Unpacker or similar tools to verify plugin integrity and inspect bundled assets. Keep a clean backup of your plugins .txt file to restore working mod configurations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. Since we tried everything on the format, it's time for the professional fix. FileMagick is your best bet for files that are unreadable by Windows or standard open source programs. You can find it at filemagick.com. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.